In this video, I want to show you how to transfer column values to another column in ArcGIS attribute table. So in ArcGIS, I have this data. Let me open the attribute table. Right click and open the attribute table. In this attribute, I have this elevation column and I have this raster value column. In a situation where I want to transfer the raster value to this elevation column, it's quite simple. Instead of typing it manually, there is a provision where you can just transfer the value from this column to another column. And to do that, right click the column that you want to transfer the value to. For example, I want to transfer this raster value column to this elevation column. I'll right click it and it will open these options. Then come to the option called field calculator. Click on it. Click yes. Now here, make sure you check this VB scripts, not Python, but VB scripts. Then here is the function. The elevation, which is our column, new column we want to transfer value to, will be equal to the raster value. This is what it means. This elevation, which is this value, will be equal to this column. That is, put your cursor here, equal to this. That is, this column is equal to this column. Then click on OK. Immediately you do that, you can see it has transferred all the value in this column to this very column. This is how to transfer column values from one column to another in ArcGIS. Thank you for watching.